Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be claiming our airdrop for the NOTAI. Alright, for those of you who have been farming the NOTAI, alright, they just listed today and the claiming is ongoing right away. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. Alright, and for my current subscribers, God bless you. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys very well. Alright, especially for those of you now who will just watch my video for the very first time and then hit the like button and subscribe. May God support you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Alright, let's dive into it. You can see this button here, the claim button. You see that on your balance, you see the claim button. You just click on that, then it take you to this place. It will first of all take you to a place where you get to complete some certain tasks, like follow them on or Twitter, joining their Telegram channel, liking their post on Twitter and liking their post on Telegram channel. After that, you click on I agreed on the terms and conditions. Then you claim. Then it will take you to this place. All right. So after now, let's see what will happen. I was able to get 11,900 NOTAI. Okay, so let's see. I was not able to get any referrals. I was not able to get total claim the NOTAI. So I don't know what happened. So let's claim the coin. So it's asking us to connect our wallet. All right. So let me connect. Let me connect. Keeper. Alright, connect. Okay, wallet has been connected. So we'll now say claim. It say you are sure you want to claim NOTAI. I said yes, I want to claim. Insufficient funds. Say I don't understand. I need a 0.05 ton to be able to confirm this transaction. Wow, I never knew about that, guys. Alright, let me get some ton and then I will remake this video. Okay, but you can do yours if you have the ton wallet. Alright, if you have the ton coin. Okay, so without further ado, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.